The name of our project is Real Life Hacker Arcade for Penetration Testers. This project is supervised by Dr. Masoom Alam and Ms. Sneha Amir. This video is basically a walkthrough of our project. So let's begin. At first we have our dashboard page in which the user can sign in and register. So let's start the registration process. We will enter the credentials given by the form. After entering the data in the form, the user will click on sign up. The screen will display a message that successful sign up. Then the user will have to log in order to access the dashboards and the machines. After the user is logged in, he will see our main dashboard. At first we have all the statistics regarding system usage, memory, users and networks. Then we have list of all the users who are currently registered. Then on the right side we have ranks. These ranks will define in how much or at which category these users come in, how many VMs they have pen tested, and how many traffics they have gained. Below the ranks we have machines, which machines users have pen tested or which are available and what is their status. Then below the machines we have networks, what is the name of the network and what is their status. In order to begin with the pen testing process, it depends on the user whether he want to launch or create a new network or not. So let's start by creating a new network. At first we will give the name of the network. After giving the network name and the subnet name, the user will enter the IP address. Then the subnet mask. After entering all the valid data, the user will click on create network. When the network is created, the system will display a message that the network and the subnet has been created successfully. Then the user will click on the instance and write the name of the instance. So let's name it as Tesla. He will select the image which he wants to launch, and after that the network he just created before. As we created the Stuxnet network, we will click on Stuxnet and click on launch instance. After clicking on launch instance, it will take about 20 to 30 seconds to make the instance up and running. Now the instance is launched. We will click on machines. This is our machine name, this is our private IP, this is our floating IP, and the status. We can perform all these actions on our machine, whether we want to start the machine, stop the machine, or restart the machine. The restart option is given because in some cases the machine may crash or its kernel may panic upon running some exploit. As we have this floating IP, now we can SSH through this floating IP address. So SSH 0s and the floating IP. Okay. As you can see that we have gained access to the SSH credentials, and now we are in the system. This is the image we just launched. Now we can run the nmap scan on it to see which one services are running. These are the nmap results. As we are SSH through this instance, we can see that the SSH port is open. This project can also be integrated into honeypots, and we will try to make it work so that it can also act as a test bed for hackers or as a deception technology too. We are still working on the monitoring module. Hope so it will be done in a few days. So this is our code through which we are interacting with our cloud, which we just set up. This is our connection to our SQL server, in which are the information regarding users, machines, networks, and other services. Other options are stored.